Password reset not sending email on Ally Bank fix. You've tried to reset your password on Ally Bank, but the email never shows up. It's one of the most frustrating experiences, especially when you're locked out of your online banking. But don't panic, this is easy to fix once you know what's going on. First, check your spam, junk, and promotions folders. Ally's password reset emails usually come from noreply.com. Email filters often misclassify these automated messages as promotions or phishing attempts. Try searching Ally Bank password in your inbox. If it's not there, make sure you're using the correct email address that's linked to your Ally account. Many customers use multiple emails, one for personal use and another for finance, and it's easy to mix them up. Next, at Ally, come to your safe sender list and request the reset again. Wait at least 5 to 10 minutes before trying another request. Sending multiple requests too quickly can trigger a delay or system block. If you're using the mobile app, try switching to a desktop browser instead. Cached data or session timeouts can sometimes prevent the reset link from being processed correctly. Also, make sure your inbox isn't full. A full mailbox can silently block new messages, even from legitimate senders. If the email still doesn't come through, contact Ally Bank support. They can verify your identity and help you regain access securely. Most people think it's a system glitch, but the surprising truth is that spam filters and mismatched emails cause almost all missing reset messages. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be back into your Ally Bank account in no time.